Wow, everybody is like a globetrotter. I've never been to Europe. I've never been to Europe. This is criminal. Why would I go there? Escape plan. Plan B. Also a change of pace maybe. I don't know. English. Young people are good at English. Yeah, exactly, random. That's why I'm like, it's gonna have to be a no from me, dog. Stop French. Do not speak English. Yeah, but if I went to France, I'd be fine with like France. Even like Wallonia and Belgium would be fine. I know enough French to get by. Like I can get around in Quebec and stuff. Like I know enough French to get by. And because I'm from New Brunswick, I have like bilingual brain or whatever. Not real bilingual brain, but New Brunswick brain. Yeah, I don't know if like, yeah, the UK, it's gonna have to be a no for me, dog. What you speak is not the French they speak. That's true. That is true. Oh, Avalanche, you like that? You like that I knew what Wallonia is? Actually, one of my favorite pop artists is from, well, two of my favorite pop artists are from Wallonia. There's Stromae and Angèle. They're both from Belgium. They're both Wallonians, which is a hilarious name. Nord di Cali. We. I don't know. I've had too much caffeine. She's from Buffalo. Okay, she's from Brussels. Like, I know she's not. Okay, I guess that means she's not from Wallonia. Really? He's from Brussels? Damn it. That they speak Quebecois. See, the French that they teach us in New Brunswick is not really New Brunswick. It's not really Quebec French. In fact, most of the time the government of New Brunswick doesn't even speak Acadian French, which is like their own dialect of French. They speak like Parisian French. They teach us Parisian French in schools there. Regional rivalry in a country the size of the head of a pin. I'm a little panicked. Look, I just wanted to know what Estonia was like in Germany. Oh yeah, T2 also lives in Germany. You know what else is in Germany? MNT Research. The folks that make the MNT reform, they're in Germany. So many cool things in Germany. So many cool things. Judy, Nora, Phoenix. Move to North Korea? Nah. I just can't, like, artificially kiss ass for that long. You know? I can kiss as much ass as needed, but there's a limit. I have my limit. I just can't artificially kiss ass for that long. Big sausages too? Oh my god, random. Okay. I'm gonna get banned. I need to calm down. This caffeine is starting, I can feel it. Like I'm starting, like my body's starting to tingle. I'm gonna have to stop drinking this. Hey, Desiree. So many cool things. Judy. Who told you I'm in Germany? You did, Nora. Like several times. Because I thought you were in the UK, right? I was like, oh, Nora's in the UK. And then you were like, I'm in Germany. Berlin. Honestly, okay, Berlin seems cool. Not gonna lie. Really seems really, really cool. Except for that one radioactive subway station. Not trying to have that. But there's also another city close to Dresden called Freiburg. And it's like lots of bike infrastructure. I feel like I would fit in German society. Maybe not. I might be too like, I don't know, like I'm very happy and bubbly on stream sometimes, but like in my day to day I'm kind of like I'm just like another, sad face in the crowd. So I'd fit in Germany for sure. People are sad there, right? Oh my god. See, I'm making myself laugh. That's how I know I've had too much caffeine, because I'm just like fuck. Okay, I need to calm down. But eat me piece over. It's so over. Janet card dumped. Okay, I'll calm down. We haven't written like any code today. I just can't even compose myself. Okay. It's fine. I'm okay. I'll just stop drinking the thing. We are. Oh, okay. All right, that's fine. Personally, I would recommend regions in West Germany. Really? Wait, Judy. What city do you live in? I know you told me before, but I can't remember. Okay, guys, we know all about the history of World War II, okay? Everybody knows that. Germany is cool now. That's the problem. It's not a problem. That's what we're talking about. Germany's cool right now. So, we all know the history. It's fine. It's whatever, okay? And Random, you're one to talk. You're from fucking the UK, okay? Probably East Germany has a lot more. Yeah, that's true. Except for Berlin. There's Berlin, which is like completely different. Sick, yeah. In the Dresden. Yeah, I'd rather not. I wouldn't want to live in Dresden. Just Freiburg. I've had sex in Germany. It's cool, guys. Calm down. It's cool. Berlin's mostly an exception. Yeah. Bavaria? Wait a second. Wait a second. Wine Boy, Judy, have you guys hung out IRL before? Officially the Free State of Bavaria. Oh. Yeah. I see. Close to Czechia. Actually, yeah, I wanted to live... If I ever did move to Germany, I wanted to live close to the Czech border because Czechia, I guess, I always call it the Czech Republic. It's like the only place in the EU where you can get my medication. I'll just leave it at that. And I could take the train there. Been to Berlin with my cuddle buddy a couple months ago. Netherlands? I don't think Netherlands. Yeah, Netherlands doesn't have it, I don't think, Judy. I've done a lot of research, and the only country in the EU that really has the medication is Czechia, not meth, you dummy. Pilsen? What? Nah. Neo and end with N? No? Maybe? I don't know. No? Neo Vim? Got him. No, it starts with Estro and ends with Valerate. Addicted to Neovim. Yeah, I need my intramuscular injection of Neovim twice a week, so. That's what it's called when you get it from the Czech Republic? Oh. See, I don't fucking know. I don't know anything. Okay, that's really funny. I search for... Okay, that's a really weird article to see. Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah, I had a feeling that's what it was called, Nara. That's fine. See, I would really rather do Valorate because I've been on Valorate for like 8 years. Wait, can you get a prescription from a German doctor and then get it filled in Czech Republic? Is that a thing? Does that work? No. Great. Well, not moving to Germany. Guess I'm going to Thailand. Fuck! Check EU rules. I don't know how things work. Anyone else very confused? Would I move to the Nordics? I mean, oh, like Scandinavia, you mean? If you can find the right doctor, you can. I might be able to do like a walk-in clinic in Czechia or something. friend of mine does that. Oh, so you know somebody. See, you just gotta know somebody who does it. Their own countries with very different health systems. Lovely. Does OHIP cover my meds? No. Not even a little. Although one of my meds is compounded by the pharmacy. It's a compounding pharmacy, so it's actually like very cheap. It's like $45 for a month's supply. Nora's not shady. Yeah, we love Nora, okay? That's cheap. I mean, it's 45 Canadian dollars. It's like $30 American. Requires a prescription. I mean, I need a prescription to get it here. I just have to pay for it because Canada's like the worst of both worlds. Interesting, Nora. Okay, see? This is good, Nora. This is good. This is good stuff. Good to know. Knows a guy who knows a guy. I'm off to see my estrogen guy. Living in the Netherlands, I discovered Canada is the only country in the world to not require its citizens to pay premium for its health insurance before it'll pay out. And their premium plan. Guys don't take that kind of stuff. That's true, Nora. Well, wait, Ty, are you talking about for like drugs specifically or like health insurance in general? Because Ontario does have a fee for OHIP, a separate fee. Any care, yeah. Technically, Ontario does have a fee, but you pay it every year on your tax form. It's just like another little like tax bracket. It's like, oh, if you make less than this much, put 0. If you make this much, put 100. I think the cap on like the yearly OHIP fee is like $500 or something. So I need to find a doctor to fast track you for the paperwork on that stuff. Yeah, that's another problem because like an interruption to medication would be not fun, right, Judy? So I don't know. Maybe I'll just be a digital nomad and go back to Canada every 6 months. Yeah, the code is not optimal. Well, if I wanted to do this optimally, I'd write in like C, wouldn't I? And not ClojureScript. ClojureScript running in a browser. We make games over the network. The network! Free isn't tax paid, yes. I'm kidding, I can't even write my name in HTML. Oh. See, I thought you had like, opinions or something. It's cool to have opinions. We can talk if you have opinions. But if you don't have opinions, you're also welcome here. You can hang out. It's cool. We're chill here, except when I'm all hopped up on Wake Water. Am I using NeoVim? No, it's Emacs. Code is not optimal. There's not enough common Lisp in there. That, I don't know if I agree with you there, Judy. I don't know. That's an opinion. I don't know. Strong opinions loosely held. That's what they always say at corporate bullshit, right? Where's Sal Biddy? Don't just have opinions. They know the truth. Sal Biddy uses Neovim, by the way. Damn, thank you, Nora. Oh, I'm starting to feel a little sleepy. Caffeine come down? You dev a web game or something? What's the concept? Yeah, I like building web games. Although this one's taking a while to build. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I can finish this prototype. It's a cool concept, but I'm getting like... I feel like maybe the intrinsic motivation... I just need to make... Maybe I just need to make some progress on it. Check to get more. Give you a 5-minute Pomodoro. What's the point of the game? Ideally, you would win. And then rank up in PvP. And then you would get status. And have fun. Are we gonna sell the game eventually? Well, I need to know if it's fun first. Oh, it's not chess random, and you know that it's not. You have to win the game. I don't know. I don't remember this game. Were your creditors and stream the whole time while changing your name? Chant it on the run. Avoid detection and streaming the whole time. That's pretty elaborate, Ty. Queen the game. Search on itch. You have to win the game. Oh. Damn. Over 5,000 reviews on Steam? Oh, it's free. I was gonna say, if I could move 5,000 copies of a game, I would just be a full-time game developer. But it's free, so... Tic-tac-toe, but you have to get 12 in a line or something. Oh. Man, I gotta lay off the sauce here, the wake water. Holy smokes. No, we must code. We must keep going. Good afternoon. Hey, Failer, what's up? How are you? Lost in the sauce. When do we get to play this not chess game? I don't know. Stop acting like managers, asking for dates and times. When are you gonna buy some subs, random? How about that? Any updates on your part yet? Fuck me. I need 500 lines of code on my desk tomorrow. Just do print line 500 times. You can act like a product manager? No. No product manager. I'm supposed to be having fun. Although I feel really sleepy now. I still have like maybe a quarter of this left. I'm not drinking it though. I'm done. I just can't drink it anymore. Reverse Uno. Judy. Have I thought about adding AI? Not really. It's supposed to be a PvP game. Player versus player, not player versus LLM or some shit. Red or white? You know, I used to be a huge red wine person. But I actually discovered like a white that I really liked. And now I primarily drink that when I do drink wine. I've been on seltzers a lot lately when I drink alcohol. Don't forget to rest and hydrate. Don't let them tell you what to do. Yeah, thank you, Judy. See, Judy knows. Send me an email containing 3 things you accomplished today. Shadow Zoo. C64 style games? Like Commodore 64? Woke up, napped, went to sleep. Commodore 64 as in like the computer that they developed Mutiny on and Halting Edge Fire. Dude, I have done nothing today. I am just cooked. I am absolutely cooked today. I'd like to accomplish something before I have to go back to my dreaded day job of working on stuff. Woke up, annoyed Janet. On this. Oh. What I wrote was backwards in my book. No work, just slay. Are you sure about that? Burned. Also cheap. Dude, you got 348 subs, but haven't made any sub badges yet? Even an inhaler would be cute. Yeah, I thought about making sub badges, honestly. The problem is the sub badges are like tiny. Like the icons are tiny. Like 72 by 72 pixels. That's like a tiny little sprite. So I'm not really sure how to do that yet. But, you know, perhaps. Perhaps. Oh, shit. Ugh. Yeah, my brain is not braining now. Oh, weird. I feel kind of pretty. All right, I'll sit up. I'm sitting up. Hello, Cookie Bow. It's okay. Maybe taking a deep breath and walk around a little. Maybe. Let's find someone on Fiverr to do it for me. Oh, you think I'm pretty, Judy? Thank you. Thank you. Fiverr guy has a vibe code closure, probably. You know, you're right about that. It's also okay to have a short stream and relax a little. Short, still 6 hours. That's true. I don't feel quite as tired though, although I do have like plans around 3 or 4, so depending on when my friend wants to hang out. Offers virtual hug to Janet. Aw, thank you. I accept your virtual hug. That's interesting. Hang on a sec, guys. Hang on. Am I good? Yeah. I'm good. I'm just doing math. I'm just thinking about stuff on paper. On paper, who would have thought? You know? Extra hot, working on a notebook silently. Just looking down. Girl math going on. Girl math, yeah. Well, I just kind of realized that, like, this is kind of more like a... This is not a... this might not be as hard as I thought it was. Right? Like, if I take the maximum distance... Like, we always have, like, the entity in a position. And then we just, like, either add or subtract the distance from that. So if it's 6.6, it'd be like x minus distance, z minus distance, right? And that gives us like our kind of starting coordinates. But from like, if we look at it like top to bottom, I wish I could show you guys this, but if you look at it from top to bottom, the whole, it's kind of like just drawing a sort of like drawing a square. Obviously. But I'm trying to generalize it, which is why I'm like having a hard time. Like on one axis, if you start at the very edge of one point, each like value down the axis, like you can just simplify that one dimensionally, right? So it'd be like 4i, I don't know, we'll say z, we'll go z first, like down. 4i equals z minus distance up to I don't know, z plus distance, I guess. And then that way we have all the blocks down, right? And now we need to do x minus distance No, that doesn't work. We only need to minus distance in one direction, because then we can just go like down, right? So we don't need, say, x minus distance. We only need z minus distance. Break up MATLAB. Z minus distance, and then we're not drawing a whole grid. We're starting at x, the x value. Add to group. Okay, so does that work? I equals z minus distance. Distance equals 3. Z is 6.5. So that would be 3.5. And we're iterating until we get to z plus distance, which would be 9.5, right? And we started 0 for the x-axis. 0 to max distance times 2. No. Yes, but that's not how it works. Oh no, it'd be fine if we just did max distance. We'll just do 2 on each x iteration. 1 in each direction. Max distance. But that doesn't really work because we need to... yeah, that won't work. That'll only work. Autism engaged. That will only work once we get to like the midpoint, probably. Janet does math. How is running going? Wow, rude. Like it or not, this is peak software development performance right here, you guys. Pen and paper, okay? Linear algebra on paper. I feel like I had this figured out. Now I don't know. Fuck, we programmed the Apollo missions? Yeah, you didn't know that? Actually, on one of them, they had to reprogram it like mid-flight and fly back to Earth. They made a movie about it? No? Tom Hanks? Apollo 13? Okay, I thought it was Apollo 13, but I wasn't sure. The ultimate testing in production? Apparently so. I think I can do it with the floor, maybe? Let's see here. 0. 1, 2, 3. Ray March? Who's Ray March? Did they say hi? Oh, hey, Ray March. Hey, sorry. Just doing some maths. Mathgas. Actually, maybe I'm just thinking about this all wrong. Maybe I just need to do it twice. Easy. Z. Thanks for apologizing for doing math. Everybody should. You know, I'm inclined to agree with you. TBH, fam. Z plus distance. J distance -1 to 0. Oh, I think I've just about figured it out here, guys. It's it's pretty you know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. myself. Or not. That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna try to explain it to you guys on camera. I don't think I'm gonna succeed though. Oh, it's so hard to see. But basically, here's the algorithm. It's kind of hard to see, but essentially we just start from like one position on one axis and work our way down each row. First 3 rows, and then, yeah. Which is probably the simple approach that everybody else figured out right away, but I was having too much fun. It's a cipher from looking at it. I guess it does look kind of like a cipher, doesn't it? Cipher. Dumb and I don't understand. It's okay. It's alright. I too am kind of a dum-dum, so this works out. It works out pretty well. I just don't know where to put my big book. Pretty smart people scare me. Don't be like that. Ugh. If you can write code, you're probably smart. You're probably smart. Them's are the rules. I don't make the rules. I guess I could put it on top of my MacBook. I don't really want to do that though. There. Top of Stalin. Lumen. Welcome, comrade. Comrade Lumen, how are you? Okay. Let's draw. Let's get rid of this. Oopsie. I might have to use the bathroom again though. Square. We just need square. X and Z, because they're all the same coordinates. Oh my god, I do have to use the bathroom again. What the hell, man? Okay, I'll be right back. We just figured this out. We're gonna code it up. It's gonna be awesome. Seriously, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Whew. Yep. Okay, I'm all right. I'm fine. I'm cool. Oh God, here we go. My boobs are way too delicate, and let's be honest, the government of Ontario paid way too much money for them for me to ruin them with my shitty bangs. I can't believe somebody clipped that. Okay. We're gonna do this. If I'm gonna do anything today, I'm gonna code this one thing. Thank you, Nora. I think I can draw them all in a certain position in the 3GS group and then just move the group when needed. Okay, let's give it a shot here. Although I would really like a different color than the highlight color. Maybe a slightly darker color, I don't know. I can figure it out later. So we got our GURP, and let's see here. We have our max distance. Move the group. We make an ace combat now. Yes, we are. So I should be able to do something like why did I write this as an iteration? That was stupid. That was stupid. Hey, Dark Mast, what's up? Fuck. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I've left and two other people have as well, and they're not rehiring because they can't afford to, so clearly left a good time. Yeah, it sounds like it. Okay, reduce over this Shiat. Do seek. Z minus attack distance. To Z. Although I'm probably gonna need the ceiling for that Z. How many fig bars for a WoW stream? I don't know if I could. Last time I streamed WoW, nobody watched, so I don't know, you guys. When did I do it? Oh, a while ago. I did it during like the OnlyFans craze. Oops, should be J. Add GURP square x minus j I GURP square x minus oh right, that doesn't work. What am I doing? I need to set the distance. Shit, okay. I vote WoW. Wow, everybody wants to see me play WoW. Wow. Square. X. I. So that's one set. Okay. Object not instance of 3JS. Oh, right. I need to return the group. That's why. Group. Okay, interesting. That's certainly something. And it's bright green. Why is it so bright? Unless I just drew them on top of each other. That might be why. Because they should look like this square. Oops. I'm sure I'll get to debug that here in a second. At least it is grid aligned. Mm-hmm. Constantly. Pull 0.5 out of there. Stupid. Green square chest. Color reflects the programmer. Actually, it's a mistake. It's an accident. Do seek J range tech distance -1. Wait, can I have a range that goes down? Is that wrong? Oh, you can have a range that goes down. Well, lucky me. Look at that. This is wrong, isn't it? I had a feeling this was going to be wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. Shit, bruh. I should be able to draw half the diamond right now, so I'm trying to figure out what the hell went wrong. Yeah. Oh god. Okay. The range is decreasing. A step has to be negative. Does it? I don't know. Do you need to do zero range? Should be a negative number. I don't know if it'll let you do 0.5. It'll freak out. Pavishka. Like, I can just put 0 in there. Wait, what? Oh, I see, okay. This one goes up, though. This one progresses. It's z minus attack distance up to z, basically. So this doesn't need a step negative here. It should look kind of like a pyramid, though, but it doesn't. It's just kind of few blocks. You think my voice is calming? Nice, calm, soothing Janeta voice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is wrong. ASMR is kind of creepy. I hate when the math isn't mathing. I know the math is not mathing. Oh god, this is the worst. Oh, bruh. Oh, why is the math not mathing? Okay, I think I know why the math isn't mathing, but like, fuck. At this point, I'm just tempted to draw each coordinate. Or each quadrant. 22 streams? God damn. I don't know, maybe I'm thinking of this all wrong. Oh, that's an interesting approach. More math, you guys. Oh, that feels like the naive approach, though. Maybe it doesn't matter. Time streamed for 4 days, 1 hour? Holy smokes. That's a lot of Janeta. Should at least make like the outline of a diamond pattern, so I don't know why it's not. What if I just, for simplicity, just get rid of this? That will probably throw off the grid and make it not grid aligned. But at least it'll do something. Yeah, so now it's not grid aligned. But like, I don't know. Oh, that's weird. I don't know why it's like overlapping. That's kind of the weird thing. Okay. Stop! Get the fuck out of here. Fucking LSP mode? Jesus. Did you see that? Didn't matter where I put my mouse, it just kept bringing up fucking little company windows. It's terrible, man. I was gonna do this like a bunch of times. That's why. Oh, that's why it's doing it. It's doing it a bunch of times. That's why they're like fucking deep green. Okay, hang on. Hello, thanks for the stream. I enjoyed it. Oh, thanks, Vera. Yeah, try to check it out more. Oh, I need a flag. I need a flag. Great. Attack debug. When attack debug. Do that. And when attack debug. Okay, so great. Let's go to one entity and turn on attack debug. Just one entity. Debug true. There we go. Now that's interesting. What the fuck is with the lines? Okay, well, I have the 0.5. I still don't know why it's just like a block of squares like that, though. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Oh, it must be from here. Right? God, I don't know the distances. I'll do 5. What the fuck's going on here? Oh, it must be drawing from here to here? Then why is it just drawing a square? Okay, 2, 0. Probably because I need to do something like z plus I. Z minus I, maybe? Still not quite right, though. Okay, wait. All right, hang on. I'm assuming this has to be the starting square, but like... It's supposed... Oh, fucking damn it. It's supposed to be... x.5, 6.5, z... 5.5, but neither... It seems like neither of those coordinates show up here. Like, this is 5. This is 5. Is this 5.5? One, two, three, four, five, 6. But then this is like 8. Why is this? Fuck. Oh god, that's so frustrating. I'm guessing the math just isn't mathing. That's probably it. I have it backwards, that's why. I do believe... No. Do I have a different... Yeah, no, it's backwards. Right? No, this isn't gonna work either. What the fuck? It just drew the same thing. Okay, that's great. That's just perfect. Okay. Why can't I think of this, you guys? Alright, Distron, take care. Yeah, this is not correct. Yeah, I feel like the other way should have worked. Like, I don't know. This always happens to me. Like, ooh, I'm so smart. And then, like, literally nothing fucking changes when I change it and fix it. I go, oh, great. Absolutely the same thing. Perfect. Ooh. Value of attack distance is 3. This should probably be 3 plus 1, honestly. Or 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this should be incremented 1. Yeah, I still don't know why it's not. It's just like a rectangle. I must be thinking of this all wrong. At this point, I'm going to do the naive solution. Because I'm just starting to get sick of this crap. Not straightforward solutions. Honestly, I understand. Hey, Valigo, what's up? Or I could just walk it like a clock. That's kind of stupid though. Yeah, that's nice and dumb. With the X value? I am doing it with the... Well, okay, so... Yeah, the X value's here. It's hard to describe, but I was just gonna start at one point and walk down in one direction. And as it goes down one direction, just fill it out, like scan line style. But I can't even do that right. Ugh. Thank you, Judy. Oh, welcome back. Yeah, wait, this seems to be... Attack distance needs to be a function of... something. This doesn't need to be... Bless you, Gesundheit. In the UK, we say get fucked, dickhead. That's pretty funny. Can I just, like, draw a line of squares? No. Of course not. I know... Okay, I think I know why it's not working, but my brain is not having it today. Just a few minutes ago when I went to the bathroom, Tanner X. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. My original approach was correct, but I kind of fucked up some values here. So, this should be c minus attack distance minus I. This is like the distance, basically. Fuck. Oh god, okay. That's lovely. At least I drew one square. Mm-hmm. Oh, what am I doing? It's I minus distance, not fucking... Because I goes... In theory, goes up. Should be that, right? Kinda? Getting to square one. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, god damn it. Stupid fucking mouse focus. So it's I minus C minus distance. I guess that makes sense. Oh, Z would be negative at some point though, because I set it to fucking 5.5 like an idiot. Or would it? No, I don't think so. Fuck, I don't even know how this is getting here, actually. This is kind of weird. Because it's like too far from everything. Square. Oh, yeah, square. .5 should be way over here or something. No, it's like right in the center. Shit. No wonder it doesn't work. Oh, I feel so dumb now. Oh, what? Okay, that makes a lot of sense, sort of. So this is 0.5, which means... Yeah, I don't even know. What the fuck? Okay, where the fuck is 6.5 in this grid? Right here. It's like there's 4 grids here or something. Like, what the hell? Okay, I don't understand the coordinate system at all then. Yeah, no, I do, actually, I think. Because it was here. Oh, that's so stupid. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I probably could print them, actually. It's not a bad idea. Okay. This is printing X first. So this is the X-axis. It can go negative. This is the X-axis right here. Okay, you know what I'm saying? And this is the Z-axis, right? Tack distance minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Not in the Muddin, it's not in 3D coordinates. This is not X and Y, right? This is a plane, and we have an X and Z axis. That's why it looks different. J minus X? No. I don't, and it's not J minus X. It's relative to the X and Z offset, so it has to be the thing. Three. And it should... range from 0 to... What's range 0 to 0? Does it actually work? I don't think you actually get a range from 0 to 0. Ah, okay. That looks a bit better, but that's really funny because we're drawing the other way. That's why. We're doing it correctly, but we're drawing it the other way. Okay, this is interesting. Because this is the starting point. And we start here. For some reason we keep going. That's odd. Three, four, four. 5, 5, 5. Oh, right, because we're printing it twice for each time. 3, 4, and 5. Oops. Oh, that's odd. No, I guess that makes sense. We're minusing z from I. This should be I. Oh, now that's interesting. Actually fascinating. Fuck. Oh my god, why are they so small? Fuck. Unless this needs to be incremented too. What the fuck? I think it's right. It's just off a little bit. That is really interesting. Oh, I did forget z minus I, didn't I? I'm just staring at it. Looks rather phallic. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have half an attack surface. Half of one. Now I just need to write the other half. Oh, fun. But doing it the opposite way. I wish I could change the opacity though. I guess the opacity is correct. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. 82.2. Nice. That's kind of perfect actually. Look at that. Look at that. That's 6.5. 6.5 right there. Right here in the middle where it should be. Although 6.5, 6.5 shouldn't be illuminated. You know what? I'm just not gonna complicate it right yet. We have something that's... Oh, fucking damn it, Emacs. Come on, man. Oh, snap. T2, what's up? We got raided. Shout out to my boy T2. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Hope you had a good stream. Yes, good stream. Lots of Linux stuff. I trust there was lots of Linux stuff involved. What even is this? I don't know. I'm trying to make a game in ClojureScript. Lots of open source package update stuff. Oh, fun. Functional programming shenanigans. Jesus. Oh. Looks like progress has been made. Yes, sort of. A move selection area? No, it's supposed to be like an attack surface. There's my friend. Oh, we're so close. I just want to finish it. Okay, we start from Z. Does the step doesn't have to be negative, does it? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna whip open a REPL here right quick. Yeah, it does. Okay. Lovely. So we're gonna go backwards. We can do range 5 to -1, step -1. Sure. Actually, we can go to 0 because we have control the step. Probably don't even need to increment here. Oh no, no, that's not true. We do need them. What the hell? Oh. Right. Oh god, there we go. Shit. Shit, bruh. This up here works fine. Oh, wait. That's why it's not working. Lovely. Nope, that wasn't why it wasn't working, but that is definitely a problem. Isn't it lovely? I'm pretty sure that needs to be minus attack distance. No, it needs to be plus attack distance, but I don't know why it won't move from Z to attack distance. Oh wait, this is where this is going up. Why the hell did this one work? Yeah, that one shouldn't have worked. What the fuck? Joined, just got an off job offer? That's awesome. Oh, something tells me join the Discord, accept me, fam. Why? I had to kick you once already. Well, I guess I didn't kick you, but you left. Also, why did you create a whole other Discord? You created another Discord account. What the hell, man? What are you trying to play here? Z. Z plus attack distance. What the heck, man? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's still the same. This one's still the same. I don't know why I changed that. Right. 0. Oh, okay. We got a square. That's a good sign. Which is the first drawn from the set? Well, it should be this one. And then it should draw these three, and then these, and then these. And then it should do the exact opposite on this side. Oh, right, I know why. Actually, no, that's not why. Fuck. Nope. Fuck. Seriously? Every time I think I'm onto something, I'm not. Z plus attack distance. 2, 3. Okay, wait. Let's figure this out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Attack distance. Great. Render X I. That's not right. What am I doing? Should go down to Z. Attack distance plus attack distance down to Z. Literally just gonna try it out here. 9, 6, -1. Okay. Should start here. No. It shouldn't be positive. The only reason this says positive is so that we can draw 1. Although I suppose according to this coordinate system, this only works over here. This probably won't work over in these other quadrants, I'm guessing. Because fuck my life. This is like one of the few times where a for loop actually does come in handy. Which is pretty frustrating. A relative count? Yes, that's why it's so fucking disgusting. Like if I put this in like minus 6.5 and minus C.5. Okay, it still works in the minus category. What if I put in 6.5 minus Z.5? Okay, so it'll work everywhere as long as I actually make it work. And it should draw for every distance. I just don't know why I can't get the other fucking side to work, which is pretty annoying. So the second set overlapping with the first. Okay, so the way it works is basically the algorithm says, okay, we're going to start here, and we're going to go the attack distance out, and then we're going to iterate down the axis back toward the origin point, and then on the way, we're going to fill out, which is the second do seek, we're going to fill out the number of squares across based on the distance down, right? So right here, we actually have no distance from the edge, so it's 0, which is why there's this special case here to put this guy in here, right? And then as we move down, okay, cool, add these squares. And then, of course, it'll add the middle because we have everyone has a range 0. So it's like basically the algorithm does this. It's like, okay, go here. Okay, draw. Great. Okay, draw this. Now we draw this and this. Okay, great. Now we draw this. And then we draw this, 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 and this. Okay, great. And then we can just like repeat. That's a... When is WoW on? What line are you talking about, Cable Gun Master? Line 451? Well, I'm trying to go the other way. Oh, wait, yeah, what the hell? Okay, so this would be Z, basically. And this is Z plus 3, which would be 9.5, or 9 rather. So we're going from Z, which is 6.5, to 9.5. Right? And then 0 to distance. I feel like this distance coordinate can't be the same. I think it's just backwards, actually. This is distance minus I. No, wait. Well, it's wrong. We want to move backwards. Minus attack distance made sense. Oh, great. Fucking shit. We want to start at the high point and move backwards. This doesn't need to be here, right? So we start here and we're going to move backwards basically in the exact opposite direction that the original algorithm did. Except for this. This one should not be... This should actually be from 0 to whatever. Okay. So, we start here. We're going to move back the other direction. Down the axis. Toward Z. The Z starting point. And we go from 0 to... That should be plus. Find the distance from here Do attack distance minus I think. Right. Yes! I mean, they're bright for some reason, so there's probably overlapping. But, yeah, wait, why is there overlapping? Am I just doing this twice in a row or something? I made you think. I just don't know why it's bright green. Usually that means there's extra squares on top of one another. So the add GURP adds the squares. Yeah, so basically a group in 3JS is like a little mini scene graph where you can treat meshes as like whole groups. So I should be able to set the position of this group now after the fact. Like if I add it to the group, if I add it to the scene and then I was like set, is it set position? Yeah, I think it's dot set. Set position, attack, distance group, and I just set it to like zero. I don't know, we could put it at 0, 0, I guess. 0.5. I think this works, actually. I'm not 100% sure now that I think about it. Set position. Oh, God. Didn't like that. Oh. Yeah, I guess not. I don't know. I'll have to I'll have to figure it out. Because I thought you could move them as a group together, but maybe I'm mistaken. Anyways. That change your cursor? No, it didn't change the cursor. Line 451 till 456, one tab back. What? Yeah, it's supposed to be here. Anyways, guys, I think I gotta run. Because my friend is messaging me. Pretty good stream today. Overall, we did actually kind of accomplish something. Happy Tuesday. Oh, wait. Did I do it again? I did do it again. God damn it. That's why. Boom, easy. And then I can use this exact same logic right here to move the pieces around, basically. Just replace all this square here with, like, this set position stuff, I guess, or whatever. Any hoops. I will random, just don't send me weird messages again. Oh, what a great audience. What a great stream. What a great audience. Raid. My brain is not working. I'm probably not going to have a stream tomorrow, guys, because I've got a call in the morning and the afternoon tomorrow, so probably no stream tomorrow. So I might be back. I'll probably be back on Thursday morning and Friday. And I was thinking about doing a stream Saturday morning. I have to go to... I'm going to the beach on Saturday. But yeah, anyways, I will probably see you guys again on Thursday. Let's go raid Lana and repay her raid in kind. Unless you guys want to raid somebody else. Eat an egg about 7 hours ago. That's true. Have a great day. Good stream. Yo, we love Lana. What up? Okay. All right, you guys. Wow, I seriously have like some of the best viewers ever. I don't know. Maybe I will stream tomorrow. I don't want to be on like camera and silent for like 45 minutes. Thursday it is. Finish up the stream. Hydrate, dummy. All right, I will. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.